If you aren't landing clients on social media every single week consistently, this video is for you. Right now, I will go over everything so you can start getting those clients consistently every single week through social media only. No matter if you are running a coaching business or agency, whatever, this video is for you, okay? And why you should even listen to me. You can see, for example, analytics, I have booked like around 300 calls in past 90 days. Like we could have booked even more, but we are pretty much at the capacity for our program at the moment. But anyway, you can see our clients, our results, like for this one simple funnel. I am right now talking only about this funnel, not anything more. This is just one simple thing. And Joel went from 1K to 6K within the first month, get his first client, 6K per month, and right now he's making 15K per month, right there. Connor, he's right now booking 8 calls per day with only this funnel. He have to actually hire a closer. This funnel only, he's booking 8 calls. So how is it actually working? Okay, so this is outreach. This is about automated outreach. And right now we are thinking outreach. I have heard outreach. That doesn't work. Don't want to do outreach. Listen to me. It fucking works. You just have to do the right way. Okay. I spent on this like around 12 months developing this. Okay. If you have tried outreach for 2 weeks and it didn't work for you, no shit. You need to spend actual time on that, and you actually must know what you are talking about and what you are doing, okay? Actually doing it. Let's go over everything right now. I am not skipping anything. So let's start with choosing the right social media platform. So right here, I'm showing you that we have right here Instagram, X, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. You can choose any of those social media platforms and do the outreach there. On all of those platforms, there are automations to send those DMs automatically. So there is no worries. Just pick a platform you like, okay? So it depends whether target audience hangs out. So if you are targeting CEOs of big software companies, choose LinkedIn. If you are targeting, I don't know, hairdresser salons, choose Instagram. If you are targeting small business owners, you can choose Twitter. Just choose a platform you are most familiar with, you have a good profile there, and you just want to do outreach there, okay? Just choose one of those platforms. Once you have the platform, set up your profile, okay? Let's go quickly over that because like many people forget about this, and this is super important and it is pretty easy to do it, okay? So for the profile, just have a clear profile picture of you, then have your first name right here, and then have in the bio, I have there helping coaches and agency owners get 3 to 5 clients per month, so what I am actually doing. Then I have there some call to action, DM me clients, so actually get people into my DMs, and then here I just have one link to our program, so people, if they want to check it out, if they want to schedule up a call and join our program, they can do it through here. Okay, so this is just very, very easy for them. And then just have a few posts there if you have it actually on Instagram. Like, you don't have to do that. You don't have to need that many posts, but just a few posts that looks really good, that people actually can see that you are a real person and that you are serious. Okay, you don't have to have there that many reels as I have, but just a few posts. Okay, and then like for the Twitter, similar thing. Just some bio, call to action. I have it here actually for YouTube, clear profile. Then just place there some posts. You don't have to do videos. Absolutely, you don't have to do videos. You can just, if you are on Twitter or on LinkedIn, you can just go with some text post. You don't even have to do videos. So it's pretty simple there. Yeah, as I said, Facebook is, LinkedIn is the same thing, and Facebook is also like pretty similar. You can just put there like 1 or 2 or 3 posts. Facebook is pretty easy for that. So if you check my profile, I think I have there only like 1 post or something. Yeah, I have there this one, and that's everything. I'm just then doing outreach there. Okay, simple. Then upload a bit of content, as I am saying right here, and then this is the important part, make outreach script, okay? And this is actually the messages you will be sending to your prospects in those DMs to actually get them on a call with you, okay? And this is super important. So this is like, then we will going to dial in like automations, how to send many DMs advanced, how to use VAs for that to send those many DMs. But it doesn't matter how many DMs you are actually sending if your outreach script isn't dialed in. So for example, I'm here in another video, I was showing my old script that we were using before in the past that actually worked for our agency. So how it actually for the script, I will just go fast over that. So actually you also know how to do this. Okay, so for the messaging, we usually start with some short, easy to answer opener just to get from their requests into their DMs. So you can say, hey, name and their name, are you open for a chat or something there? Just something really simple, 1, max 2 sentences just to get from their requests into their DMs. Because if I see some long DM, like you can experience it too, if somebody is pitching you something in the DMs, right in the first DM that is super long, I don't even read it, I don't care. Like, You won't even read it. People are just lazy, have short attention spans. They don't want to waste time or some random people that they didn't saw before and are just pitching them there. Okay, so that's why I used with some short, easy to answer opener. Then I follow up with some qualifying questions to actually see whether they are qualified for our program. So some questions, where are they from? I don't know if they have capacity to onboard more clients. Those questions are up to you also. And then you can also say some questions just to get them a little bit more engaged in the conversation. So what I say sometimes, like, what services are you offering, just to get them engaged, so they can start saying like what they are offering and everything, so they are engaged actually in the conversation. And then you can send them also some lead magnet in a chat. So if you have some PDF file, and if you have some YouTube video, if some free course, just to get them more nurtured before they jump on a call with you, this will also help you. Then pitch them, and the pitch must be some super really good offer, no-brainer offer that they cannot resist, or it can be something for free. So you can say, hey, I'm giving a very free coaching calls or something like that. Okay, so one of those things. Then you can also follow up with them on each message. If they don't respond, you can have a VA for that. We have a whole system for that on automations, but you can use a VA for that. And then once they actually schedule up a call with you, you will send them the lead magnet. So you will actually send them again some video. You are maybe talking there about their testimonials. If you don't have those testimonials, you can talk about their offer. They just need to see that you know what you are talking about. I have actually a video on this on my YouTube channel, but this is also good. And yeah, I have been showing here my outreach script that we have used in the past, so we can just, maybe you can just go with that, edit it a little bit, and then use it. I don't care. You can just say, hello, is the best place to ask questions. Just short, easy to answer opener. Then a few qualifying questions, then a page, then we jump on a call. Okay, super easy. Everything simple here. Okay, but like this isn't. Got it. I don't know what I wanted to say. So let's go to the next step. Right now, start just reaching out to those people. Okay, I don't care. Like, I see so many people just waiting, I don't know, for months, for weeks, or for months just to send out their first DMs. Just go and send those fucking DMs. Okay, just go and do it. And you know what? I'm going to show you how to actually do it on each of those platforms, because some of you might say, I don't know to what kind of people send those DMs. I can find my prospect. I'm going to show it to you right now. So right now you have no fucking excuses, okay? Let's go over each one of those platforms. Let's start actually on, I don't know, let's start on Facebook. It's simple on Facebook. So let's say you are actually targeting agency owners. Then you will just go into search bar and search for agency owners. Yeah, it's that hard. You will just search up in the search bar for agency owners. You will go to the groups. And in the groups, you will just join all of those groups. You will just go join all of those groups. And you maybe sometimes you just need to answer some questions, but doesn't matter. Yeah, just exit. And then you will just join those groups. And right here on Facebook, you can also put there some posts so to actually people get to you. But the easiest thing is just to go to the people in that group and just go to members in common and just message every single one of those people. Super simple. So we will just go here, add friend, go to the profile, message, add friend, go to the profile, message, add friend, go to the profile, message. Understand? Yeah, that's how hard it is. You can send like 15 DMs per day on Facebook, and yeah, you can see agency owners and virtual assistants. Like, there is a big chance that majority of those people will be actually agency owners, so you can pitch them there. Okay, and you can just do more groups and do the same thing there. LinkedIn. Exactly the same thing, but yeah, this is just the same thing. So let's say right now we are targeting online coaches. Go on LinkedIn, search up for online coaches, and right here it won't show you the groups on the first try, so you will actually have to click here on posts. It will load up, and right now you can click on it again, and you can see here groups. Click on groups. And right now it will search up for a group, so you can just join all of those groups. Let's check this one, for example, coaching business, okay? And then you go here, and then just go to show all of the members. And right now, after it's loaded, you can just message every single one of those people, okay? Just click on message. And the thing with groups on LinkedIn is that you don't even have to connect with them before. You can just message them straight away. You don't need to connect with them there, so you will just message them straight away, and you can message so many people here on LinkedIn, so this is super good, and you can just show more results and message more people. same like on Instagram it's a bit different. You can just search up for, I don't know, fitness coach, and all of them will just show up. You can just go through all of them. You can just go through hashtags, through keywords, really simple. On Twitter, what I do here is, for example, I will take some person in a space that is that have large following, some influencer in the space that I'm in. So let's say Iman Gaji, because Iman, a lot of agency owners might follow Iman. So you can either go through all of his followers, just message his people, or you can go on his post and just click and go through each one of those people here. You can just go, click on a person, boom, send them a message. Click on another person, boom, send them a message. Okay? And just message people like this. And I know you might be saying right now, I don't want to message people, random people, I don't have time for that. Yeah, we will sort that out. No, don't worry about that. We will go over that. You won't actually need to send out those DMs yourself manually. Maybe from the start, just to test it out, just to see what we are doing. But then we are going to outsource it. Okay? So right now you know where to find the people you want to message, and you actually know what to message them. So right now, how to scale it? Okay, automate your outreach. So what we are doing here on all of those platforms exist automations to actually automate the outreach. So let's quickly show you, for example, of Twitter. So what I use here is Xreacher. So what I do is, for example, we were talking about Iman. So let's go to Iman. Take his URL here, and we want to target his followers, okay? So we will just place this URL here, title Iman, and just we want to scrape his followers, and we want to only target people, I don't know, we want to only target business owners, so we can just say, I don't know, founder, boom, we want to target, I don't know, agency owners, because Iman, we want to target agency owners, SMMA, boom, whatever you want. Maybe we want to target only verified people because they usually have a better budget. We don't want to target, for example, people from India, so we can just exclude it. And right here, we want to target people that have more than 100 followers. And here in the outreach message, you can just say, hey, name, and the opener you want. Are you open for a chat? And right now, if I click on start sending, it will start sending DMs to all of the Iman's followers that have in bio agency, SMMA or founder, are verified and have more 100 followers. Okay, that's simple. So with this, you can send like 500 DMs per day without actual any effort. So right now, I set it up like within 2 minutes, and it will start sending 500 DMs per day for the next week or two. Yeah, it's that simple. I'm saying you can just check my DMs, and you can see like all of those DMs. This is just yesterday. I didn't send any of those opener DMs. You can see it. It's sending automatically for me. Okay? And yeah, if you want to learn more about those automations, how to actually use them, you can just join our program inside of Money, and we have all of those automations on other platforms. I can show you there how to also use this one and everything. But that's basically how it's working. Then there is a second way actually with the VAs that I don't like it that much because you actually have to manage people, but it's still effective. You don't have to actually send those DMs manually, and I will show you whole process there right now. Okay, so how to actually do the Indian method, or how to do the thing with the VAs. Okay, I have a whole video about that on my channel, Young Indian Method. You can check it there. I think it's called How to Get Clients with Indian Method, and you can just go on Upwork. Upwork is the site where you can hire people. So you will just go on Upwork, and here you will just go and post a new job. So you will go post a new job, and in a job description you will place where do I have it? Do I have it somewhere? Job post example here. Awesome. And in a job post you will put something like this: hello everyone, I own this agency, or I own this coaching business, doesn't matter. You will be sending DMs, qualification, stable internet connection, can work, I don't know, you can say even less hours. It's up to you. If you want to use more platforms, you can hire more VAs and make them work more hours per day, can work in this time, and you will just post it. Loads of people will join there. I can fucking guarantee you that loads of the people will join, and you can pay them like $1, $2, $3 per hour, or pay them actually for every call scheduled. So you can see this is performance based. So here I was actually paying them for each call they actually scheduled. And if I will show you how it looks then, so once you post that job, I haven't been hiring VAs in a while, but you can see, for example, here, you can see that 38 people actually applied for this job, and you can then go through and every single one of them, just message them or hire them, up to you. Then jump on a call with them, see whether they are qualified, and then they will start sending those DMs for you. So you actually need to explain them how to do that, okay? They don't know shit. So you'll just give them the script, go and start sending out DMs to this person, okay? Or show them this video and show them how I was actually doing it second before. So they will do the manual method, but you will outsource it to them, so you aren't actually doing that, okay? So we use this strategy a lot in the past, okay? We are right now using automations because I think it's more effective, but this is still absolutely working. But like, just to give you a little bit background for me, like we started with my brother like appointment setting agency like 12 months ago, and we had basically no clue on getting clients, okay? Maybe you are in a similar position as I was in the past, where we didn't have a clue how to get clients consistently every single week, how we are getting it right now. And what we did at the time was outreach as of right now, but we did it only on Instagram, and we hired like 20 VAs to send more DMs. So we had like 20 Instagram accounts, 20 VAs sending like 3,000 DMs per day, okay? So the volume was huge, but we weren't making any money. Since we didn't have any systems in place like to actually build a good outreach script, track our response rate and appointment booking rates, targeting right people, automations, and we didn't have enough qualifying. So we booked people on those sales calls and they were unqualified, so we weren't making any sales. Okay, so it isn't only about the volume. Like if your outreach is shit, if your offer is shit, if those things aren't dialed in, like it won't help you. The volume won't help you, but like it helps once you are booking some calls and you just want to book more calls, you can just increase the volume. But if you don't know what you are doing, then it won't work. So like after a few months of testing, and getting coached by other people in the industry, we finally made our systems more effective, that we are booking right now calls with qualified prospects and getting clients like every single week on autopilot without actually spending any money to get them. Like you can see the outreach, you don't have to spend any money. That's the beauty of it, because if you are running ads, you need to spend hundreds, thousands of dollars to actually get clients. With outreach, it's actually free. Like even if you are recording videos, if you are making content, it's also free, but still editors and things like that. Here, it's for free. Maybe you have to pay a VA or outreach software, but I can fucking guarantee you that it's so much more cheaper than actually doing ads or something, okay? And it's absolutely working. You can see some of our clients that are using this one single funnel, this one single strategy. I'm going to show you the rest in a second, but like let's say on Nick landed his first clients only with this simple funnel. He had like 900 followers before and he didn't know how to monetize. And with this, he landed his first client. Steve booked 10 calls within the first 7 days. He didn't know how to book calls before. He wasn't booking any calls. But with this one single thing, 10 calls in 7 days. Aaron landed his first 2 clients within 5 days working with us. Super easy. All of those guys, like, they didn't know what to do before, but after implementing this, it was super easy for them. Tarek also, he was working with me, landed 3 clients in a week. Alex landed client in 6 days. Matthias, he started booking calls consistently after just seeing few of our modules that are inside of money, and it was that much valuable for him actually, just a few modules in the understand outreach section, okay? Then we have here also like how to use the Indian method exactly. Personalized method. I wasn't even talking about this. This is just the whole new thing that I could talk about ours. This is something that book you even more calls, but it's also really great. Automations, foundations, there is everything. Okay. Then who we have here? Another Nick. He booked 3 calls within 2 days. Then Adam got his first client within 8 days, and we have many more people right there. But let's get back into it. Then once you book the call and you actually close the client, what then happens? Like it depends right now whether you have a coaching business or agency. But if you have a coaching business, this is just the best thing to do. Just have a course, coaching calls, and the community, all of those things. Because I see so many coaches having just the coaching calls, but if you have also community or a course, it will get like so much more valuable. You can charge more, and it's super good. Like here are other clients getting so good results with this one single one. Please just try it. Like you can either go with me, because I can fucking guarantee you that with me you will actually have it much better results than if you would do it yourself. But you can try it yourself. Go and try it yourself. See what results you get. If you would want to work with me, you can just schedule up a call with me down below, or just message me on Instagram. I'm there available anytime, responding to all of the DMs. So if you would just want to ask me anything or work with me, just DM me there. We can take a look at it and take it from there. Okay? And this is just everything. Just have it all dialed in. As I'm saying right now, like if you can see courses, coaching calls, we have it also like inside the money. There is a community, so you can actually network with people. There is all of those courses you can watch to actually start getting those clients. Then we have also like weekly calls. Then I have actually one-on-one calls. So people that actually join money in, I have one-on-one calls if they want. You can just text me anytime. Hey, I have a problem with this. Let's fix it. I'm not booking enough calls. I want to be booking more calls. Let's jump on a call. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do that. Let's start booking more calls. Let's start landing more clients. So if you want to land client this week, just schedule a call with me below this video or message me on Instagram. We can take a look at it and start getting those clients for you. Okay? See you there.